Suppose that we have two transfer functions T1 and T2 representing different systems. Now, if we cascade these two systems, then the effective transfer function of the overall system will be equal to the product of transfer function of the first system and transfer function of the second system. If this property is valid or satisfied, then the two systems are said to be non-interactive systems, otherwise they will be referred as interactive systems. Obviously, in the subject control systems, systems are usually represented in the form of block diagrams, which are mostly non-interactive in nature. The real challenge occurs when we have to determine a system which is composed of real electrical components. Let's take an example. This is a very simple example where we have taken only resistance and a capacitor. The circuit is already converted into frequency domain. The output voltage is taken across the capacitor, whereas the input voltage is the voltage between capacitor along with the resistor. The transfer function in this case will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus SCR. Now suppose if we join two such systems one after another and try to find the transfer function of the overall system, then we will get the shown transfer function. It is recommended for you to solve this network to find the transfer function, as it will be a good practice of electrical circuits. This circuit can be easily solved using Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. Well, anyways, if we multiply the transfer function of the system with itself, then we can observe the overall effective transfer function is not equal to the product of transfer function with itself. Therefore, the systems are interactive in nature. We mostly consider non-interactive systems in the subject control systems, but still it was necessary for me to tell you what the term non-interactive systems actually mean, which I hope is clear to you by now.